Hi, people. We're walking all the way to the Cebuano. Right, Pipa? Wow, look, Pipa has her mask. So cute. Oh my goodness, look at my girl. Uh-oh, so windy. It's windy. I want to go behind mommy. This thing is not really good with the wind. And Pipa doesn't really like wearing her mask. Let me see her mask, Pipa. Let me see your mask. Say hi to this camera here, baby. Say hi. You ready? We're gonna get the tricycle.
Iya pa tawag tricycle? Thank you.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you. Okay, we wait for the tricycle here.
Oo. Sa kabila. Din, ganyan.
Yeah, late. Okay, let's go.
Iya, pwede din.
Okay. here at the Cebuana. And so Pipa is getting her money, and then we're gonna go and do some Christmas shopping. Are you ready to get some toys, Pipa? Huh? Stay here. Hi, baby. So cute. Are you getting hot? You getting hot? Come here, baby. Sit here. Sit here, Daddy. Okay, so people got the money from Ate Dulce, and so we're at the store. Oh, the toys are over here, babe. The toys are over here. Right here. So we're gonna let people get some toys. We'll let her play with one of the toys, and the other toys we're gonna probably wrap for Christmas. Okay. I think there's some more over here though. There's some over here. They really don't have a big selection. You got small Legos.
Hear the sound of your body drip, drip, drip.
Thank you.
Oh, they're playing some music. How about this right here? Look. They have some, maybe they might have some cooking stuff. And Legos over here. Oh, right here, baby. They got a cooking playset. She might want to play with that. Yeah. And then maybe one more hot something. Is there flashcards? It's kind of dark in this store, so I don't know how the footage is going to turn out. And you guys probably can't hear me because I have my mask on. What you got there, baby? You got some Legos, some mini Legos. And then we have this right here. And I think we're going to get some shoes. What, like the Crocs?
Rubber shoes, like with jogging.
Maybe we try to find that other store. We just get this right here, and the other store should be on the left side. So we just get this right now. You want to look some more? I was trying to look for something for her. So this place is have a little bit of everything. Kind of reminds me of the Dollar General store back home in the US.
Smart na pang ano dishwashing.
Okay, so we need to get some dishwashing detergent. Yeah, it has to be on this. Has to be on this aisle right here. But I don't know if. Oh, right here to the left, top left. Okay. All right, let's try to go to that other store. Ask them if they have any water balloons. Well, do you have any water balloons? Water balloon? Oh, okay. This is from your Tita Dulce, your Ninang Dulce.
It's not easy to get my kids going every morning. But there is something you like getting up for. It's hot. It's like hazelnut and premium cocoa. A unique and delicious. Stick coins with daddy, mommy, ate, kuya, o bunso.
Let's see what they have over here. They have all these toys over here. A little bit of everything. They have canned goods, dry goods. Ready? Okay. All right, so let's see what the name of this place is. This place is. Okay.
Maybe there we buy more.
You think it's okay to leave this set there?
Iwan na lang natin yung
All right, so we're going to this Best Buy shopping center here. Ask them if we can go, if people can go inside. If not, then I'll just have to wait.
Pwede ba siya pumasok?
Okay. Okay, you go, baby. So we just got dropped off. So nice little half day. And we have, wow, look what people got right here.
Sino na sa sleeper then?
Say thank you to Ninang Dulce. See? Let me see your shoes. See? Wow. And then we got all kinds of stuff. See? See, this is from your Ninang. Say thank you.
Wow!
Wow. And you have your cooking play set. Wow. You have some balloons. Oh, those are Legos. Okay. It was a nice day. Let me see the slippers. Wow. Let me see. Whoa. All right.
Okay.
He's so excited. Wow. Thank you.
Ito.
Put the pizza here. Hot dog. You got that right. Mmm. You're gonna cut the hot dog. You're gonna share that with some. You're gonna share that with Daddy. Feed Daddy. Feed Daddy. Mmm. Thank you. Got our pizza. Your fork and your spoon. Mmm. That looks like cake. I guess you can pretend that it's pizza too. What is this? This is this is it right here. It looks like pizza on the box, but it's actually like, looks like cake. But it can be pizza. It looks like strawberry shortcake. Mmm. And then you have a little baby. Go ahead. Yeah, feed the little baby. The baby's hungry. Mmm. See, your Ninang loves you. She is grateful. She's just busy playing. She's so excited because she has some new toys. She hasn't had some new toys in a while. And that last store that we went to, which is Best Buy, it's funny because the Best Buy in the US is a huge like electronics store. This one is kind of like a general merchandise store. You have a little bit of everything in there. Almost like DV Mart. It's kind of like a miniature DV Mart. And DV Mart is like the Walmart of the Philippines. Wow, that looks so good. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera.